My name is Renee Jetmiko. I am studying Msc Financial Technology at Imperial College Business School. My undergrad was economics and mathematics, and I also minored in international relations. Before joining Imperial, I was working at the telecommunications industry for 2 years, and then I moved to a fintech startup for about a year. So I see that financial technology has a lot of potential to help financial inclusion in my country, Indonesia. That's why I choose to work in the fintech sector. The online classes has been fantastic. I find that my teachers are very engaging. The classes are still very interactive. I also have lots of group works, so I still get to interact with a lot of my classmates. Msc Financial Technology is a really unique program, and fintech is a really new field. So there's not a lot of candidates with this kind of degree out there, and it really makes me stand out from the crowd. My top tips, firstly, do look at the electives because Imperial offers so many cool finance programs. Please chase after your recommenders way in advance because the recommendation letters are really important to let your personality shine. Finally, don't rush the career outline because it's very important for your self-reflection.
Welcome to the largest fintech society in Europe. We were only founded in 2016, but we have since grown to a whopping 620 odd members with an average event attendance of over 100 over the last academic year.
How have we achieved such a diverse range of members and wide reach on social media? Let's talk about what we do.
Trading on the stock market,
Bitcoin,
consulting,
market making,
software as a service,
digital lending,
distributed systems,
big data,
blockchain.
That's just a sample of the topics we can cover.
How do we cover them?
We invite in the COO of one of the biggest international banks in the world,
or the CEO of one of the biggest fintech unicorns,
or the director of data science for Bain & Company,
or the head of data science for Quantum Black, a McKinsey company,
or the COO of Google for the UK and Ireland. We might host an insight day at the UK's biggest fintech,
or the UK's second biggest fintech.
Did you know they've never done an insight day before doing one with us?
So what can you do?
You can become a member today.
Join us for insight days,
Technical workshops,
speed networking,
panels,
conferences,
webinars,
a career incubator program,
or even to write for our news platform.
Still not sure what fintech is?
Give it a try.
If you join us as a member
For free,
we will update you regularly,
but not too regularly,
on the cool upcoming events and programs we've got going on.
Want a sneak peek?
How about our diversity speaker series with speakers from the most prestigious companies?
Or how about participating in an exclusive career incubator program to give you direct access to professionals in senior positions across the fintech industry?
To stay up to date about our projects, get our free membership and follow us on our various social media channels at UCL FinTech Society.
Feel free to get in touch with any questions by emailing committee@uclfintechsociety.com or messaging us directly on our Facebook page.
We'll soon be posting about first year and postgraduate rep opportunities, so stay tuned.
We hope to see you soon.
Finance, technology and policy are entering a new era where they're actually converging, becoming much closer. And that presents an opportunity to reinvent financial services for the future that serves customers and businesses in a better way than it's ever done before. What makes the Finance, Technology and Policy programme really unique is it recognises and embraces this convergence of all three aspects and recognising that together they need to be seen in building skills, experience and understanding so financial services can genuinely be reinvented.
Students will have the opportunity to take up to 11 different courses from different parts of the University of Edinburgh, and then they will also have the opportunity to tailor their degree to focus more on one aspect than the other. For example, they may want to focus their degree more on the fintech side, take on more content that will allow them to manipulate large amounts of data, or they may decide to want to go towards the regulatory route a little bit more. So that will require them taking more content from the School of Law and perhaps from the School of Social and Political Sciences. So whichever way the students want to go, they will be able to have somewhere to direct their skills once they leave the university.
If you look at most of the problems in the world today, they really span disciplines. And so thinking about interdisciplinary approaches to those, and in particular interdisciplinary programs that are dealing with those problems in different ways and looking at different perspectives on them is really critical. And so a program like this that's using tools from the humanities and social sciences, but also giving you some fundamental understanding of what those techniques mean and what they are, I think is really important and very interesting.
Well, we expect students who are coming on the Msc Finance Technology and Policy to have a minimum of 2-1 or second class upper degree at undergrad level in some specific, mainly quantitative programs from finance, from economics, from engineering, from informatics, but we are also take a look at those who do not have those specific backgrounds, but they may have employment history within the finance sector. So if they do have that and something that in an area that is very relevant to the contents of the program, we'll take a look at it on a case-by-case basis, and we'll be able to make a determination on whether they are suitable for the program.
You can study at an ancient university at the cutting edge of technology.
Glasgow is one of the UK leading fintech hubs, and studying fintech at the University of Glasgow means being part of a wider fintech community surrounded by a number of key industry players.
Our Adam Smith Business School here at University Campus was ranked #1 for accounting and finance in the UK by the Complete University Guide in 2020.
If you want financial technology to be your future, apply today.